Good morning, guys. What's up? So if you can see behind me, we're actually at an apple orchard to do some apple picking today with the hubby. He's way down there. So it is fall in Canada here. Obviously it's fall in a lot of places, so I figured, you know what, it's just the beginning of the season, and I got this idea from Travel and American Life with Bobby. That's the channel name, another YouTube channel. He actually went apple picking last week and I was like, oh, that's a great idea, let me find one in my neighborhood. So we got here. This particular one, you do have to book your time because of COVID, so you can't just show up. You do have to go online, book your tickets, and pick a time slot so that they can control the crowd, which is totally fine. So we are here now and I'm going to show you this great place. Are you checking for worms?
Yeah, I'm just looking at it.
These apples are pretty big. These are called Cortland. Yeah, they're actually...
They all look pretty good.
Yeah? Babe, you're the apple of my eye.
Wow, how long have you been waiting to use that one?
10 seconds.
Yeah. Did you Google all those references
No,
first?
I should though.
Yeah.
Look at all the dust on them.
Yeah, that's why I was rubbing that
That's
one.
all the pesticides probably, so I guess they're not organic.
Dust or something.
Yeah. So I just wanted to tell you the price. When you do come to these places, there's no price to come in, but the thing is you have to purchase a bag, which I'll show you the size. It's not a huge bag. Basically it's a, what does that say, 10-pound bag. So it's not massive. Every 2 adults have to purchase this bag, which is $25 Canadian. And you can have some kids show up there if you want. Bring some kids along as long as they're under 17. But if you have like an 18-year-old kid, they have to buy another $25 bag, which is not the greatest. My kid's 17 now, so if he were to come in a few months and he's 18, I'd have to buy 2 of those bags, which is a lot of apples. But whatever, it's a beautiful place to come. Nice Sunday in fall. Check out the stash already. So we still have room in the bag just for a couple more. We're gonna go check out a few more aisles. And look at these amazing wildflowers behind us. So pretty. 10-pound bag packed. All different kinds of apples. We got gala apples in there. We found green apples, but then we found out they're not actually green apples. They're just gala apples that weren't ripe, so we'll have to leave those on the windowsill. So anyways, I do encourage you to go check out your local apple orchard. And thanks so much for watching, and until next time, live your life with kindness for all of you. Take care. Bye.
Bye.